this. Okay, let me tell you about our company. We are 6-year-old company. I'm in the industry from the past 23 years, right from my age of 16. I'm into this industry. So I understand the value of a teacher in any organization. Being a teacher is not a joke, not an easy job. See, being a teacher is the responsibility of building a society, and from that society is building a nation. So it is a bigger responsibility. So understanding this, I will be recruiting best teachers to my clients.
Yeah, that's true.
In case of employer also, we will make sure that we are sending you to a safe, okay, safe organization with good management so that you can happily work there. Only when teacher works happily, the results are productive. She can put her, she or he can put their heart and brain in that. So with this one principle, we, shortlist the candidates, employer comfort, and we will make sure that if teacher is committed, only then we will be escalating the CV or profile to the management. So let's quickly get into the interview. Please introduce yourself.
Ma'am, myself Nikita Madhukar. I have done my master's BSMS dual degree from IISER Kolkata. It is a research institute. Right after my plus two, I got enrolled there. I was also a recipient of Inspire Fellowship. It was based on the top 1 percentile who got in 1 percentile in CBSE. Through that, I got the scholarship and enrolled in IISER Kolkata, and I took my major in chemistry. And after that, I did my projects in CSI and NCL, and then IIT Bombay as well. Now I am currently planning for NET preparation. I am doing right now. So meanwhile, I thought like just for the experience sake also, like ultimately I have to be a teacher. So
One question. What's your native?
my native is Hindi.
Huh?
Hindi,
So,
Hindi
no,
language.
no, I'm asking your location. What's your native place?
I'm from Jharkhand. I'm from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Because you don't carry that Kolkata accent.
Yeah. Like I have studied there, but I don't carry that accent actually.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So, what knowledge you have? What do you say? How should be a teacher in the classroom? Have you ever got a chance to teach any kids in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, during college, we have organized organization called Ek Pahal for the underprivileged students. What we do there, like we have organized 1, 2, 3 classrooms on our responsibility, and we called students nearby village students, and we taught them. Like I have taught there in my college. I took the responsibility for 2 years, and there I was teaching from class 8 to class 12 students.
Okay,
So it was not official, but yeah, unofficially I have taught the
okay,
students.
okay. Have you ever handled grade 3 to grade 5 children in your career?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe
Recently,
your own relatives' kids or
yes,
your
yes, yes.
neighbors, any sort of tuitions.
Yes, ma'am. During lockdown only here, like 6 months back, I was teaching to one fourth standard students and one fifth standard students nearby only. They used to come to, because their school was closed. So I
Mhm.
guided them like for 6 months. I taught
So
them.
you have gone through their syllabus. Is that a state board syllabus or a CBSE one?
It was CBSE only.
CBSE only. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Since you don't carry any experience in teaching, you're Nikita, right?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right? You're Nikita,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
So, Nikita, I wanted to put you in grade 3 to grade 5, where you understand the basics of teaching, how to teach, what to
Okay.
teach, where to teach, when to teach. There are 5 W's and 1 H for
Mm,
teaching: what, when,
okay.
where, why, who, and then one H, how. So once you
Mm-hmm.
learn the skills, no, it will be easy for you to handle,
Higher
further
class.
education.
Okay.
If you're fine with this, I would like to escalate your profile.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. For right now, I'll be happy to join.
Can you take any concept from grade 4 or grade 5 and talk about it? Maybe
Um,
plants, plants which are around you. Can you just talk about plants,
ma'am,
tree?
as far as I remember, like last 6 months back, I taught them from like descending order, ascending order, and then additions, subtractions, and
Any
fractions.
sciences? I mean, natural science.
Natural science, actually, I taught them English and math. So that time I didn't, I haven't gone through the syllabus.
Your major is science, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Hmm.
So maybe, ma'am, for fifth standard students,
Can
maybe
you
some
talk about
chemical
general,
reaction.
general topics of science, solids, liquids, gases?
Yeah. Like, as we know that there are three states of matter, like solid, liquid, and gas. So what happens in gas? The attraction between the molecules in gas is very low. So their escaping capacity for the gaseous molecule is very high. And then after that comes liquid. There the intermolecular distance is somehow less than the gaseous molecule. So that escaping capacity for them is high. Is also high, but not as like the gaseous molecule. Then after that comes the solid molecule. For them, the intermolecular distance is very low, and their escaping capacity is almost negligible. As long as we provide some external heat or something like that, then only they can transfer. So this is the all about the matter part.
Great.
And yeah, I can talk about some coordination chemistry also, like that
Mhm.
will go to the higher level. So
Mhm.
uh,
What do you say, Nikita? Do you want me to escalate your? See, there are two opportunities.
mm, yes,
One
yes.
opportunity for a CBSE school to teach third to.
Mm.
Um, can you teach physics by chance?
For 3 to 5, yes,
No, no,
ma'am.
sixth to eighth physics, the
Six
IIT
to
one.
yes,
IIT.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So there are two opportunities. Like you can teach physics for sixth standard to eighth standard. For that, you need to undergo a demo. Our subject matter expert will
Okay,
test you.
okay.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
that's one opportunity. For the same school, we need third standard to fifth standard CBSE teacher. This is second opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you get selected for IIT physics, you will be paid 30K.
Mm-hmm.
Third standard to fifth standard, maximum you'll get 25 pay. Food and
Mm-hmm.
accommodation is free. Okay,
Okay.
this is for one school. There's one more school in Telangana which is looking for IIT teachers for sixth standard to their 10th standard. So
Okay.
maybe you will get shortlisted for sixth, seventh, and eighth IIT, and they wanted to take freshers or
Mm-hmm.
2 to 3 years of experienced teachers. They will give training. They have set of people who are experts in
Okay.
IIT and their external outsourced company.
Mm-hmm.
They will train you, and they will. Since you are talking more about
Mm-hmm.
chemistry, maybe you will get selected for chemistry there.
Yes.
So, do you want me
Yes,
to
ma'am.
arrange for a subject matter expert round?
Ma'am, first of all, like
For third standard
currently
to
I
fifth
need
standard.
it.
This third standard to fifth standard, the
Yes,
knowledge what you
I'm in need
carry,
of job.
this round is enough. If you wanted to go for
Mm-hmm.
IIT and NEET,
Yes, ma'am.
IIT or NEET, I'm sorry. So you will have
Mm-hmm.
to undergo one subject matter expert demo round, where in initial round you will have doubts
Yes, ma'am.
question, doubts. They will ask you in
Okay.
question form orally, and you will have to answer them. If you qualify that first round, then again you will be asked to
Mm-hmm.
give a demo where you need to have a board marker and other things. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So once you finish that
Okay.
demo, if you get selected,
Actually, ma'am, uh, yes.
please go ahead.
Ma'am, that's what I'm telling you. Like right now, yes, right now I'm in like desperately wants to join the job. So meanwhile, I also, as I said, like I don't have that kind of professional teaching experience. So as you said,
Shall we
like
choose third
I
standard
just
to
want to
fifth
build my
science?
foundation. Yes.
Can you
First, I want
also
to build my
can you
foundation, and
also
then I'll go
choose
to college.
social sciences? Third, fourth, and fifth
Yes,
social
ma'am. For
sciences.
third, yes, ma'am. I can manage.
So I'll fix you there
I can
for
manage.
both the
Mm-hmm.
sciences, natural science and social science. Okay. I'll negotiate on salary. I'll share this video with them. I'll negotiate on salary and I will come back to you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Meanwhile, I suggest you to go
Okay.
through the textbooks which are available on internet. CBSE, NCERT textbooks are available on internet for free.
Okay.
Okay. Kindly go through the topics given. and also go through the lessons, how the concept is carried, because in CBSE, every concept is carried in the classroom through one activity. Old
Yes,
chalk and talk,
yes, yes.
chalk and talk system is not there in CBSE now. Okay, sciences, if we are talking about the plant life, you should take the children to a plant in the school. There you have to explain them. If you are talking about the tree, you should take children to the tree
Okay.
and talk about them. Whenever there is a possibility of taking children close to the nature and teach, sciences is an easy job to learn. Evaporation, carbon dioxide, oxygen, all these things, we will practically show them in the field. It is never a bookish teaching,
Yes, yes.
neither a blackboard teaching now.
Okay.
Okay? If you have books available
Yes, yes.
near you, third standard to fifth standard, just refer a copy. You can borrow from a neighbor or you can take from somebody who is of that age group. Okay. Any questions for me, Nikita?
Okay, okay, ma'am, I'll manage. Ma'am, I want to ask for the school, like what they are expecting from a teacher, like how they should be, like
Hmm.
what are their expectations from a teacher?
Their expectation is as simple as what I briefed you. All my clients' expectation is to have a good teacher with a good teacher. Meaning what? See, teaching is a profession where you cannot take up this job just for money. If one concept is wrongly taught in the
Yes,
children,
yes.
for the lifetime they learn it in that way only because teacher has taught them. Even if parent tries to correct it, they'll
Yes,
say, no, 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 my teacher has taught me in this way only. I believe my teacher, I will follow
yes,
that
yes,
only.
yes.
Right? That impact children have on teacher and the concepts what teacher deliver. So they want good teacher who understand that teaching is a responsibility, not a job. Okay. And they want all my clients want my candidates to be very good at communication skills, spoken English. These are two different things, right? How we communicate, what we understand, and what we make people understand is a communication skill. Okay. And they want dedicated teachers. That's all, these three things. Okay. So I'll share this video with my clients, talk to them and come back to you. Okay.
Okay,
Well,
okay.
if you have any doubts,
Okay, ma'am.
you can
Okay,
please
ma'am.
check. There are two areas which I will tell you. Vanaparthi in Telangana, Vanaparthi. Okay. The other one is Shadnagar. These are the two places where we have vacancies, where you can exactly have your right fit.
Okay.
Okay. Fine, Nikita. Nice talking to you.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll meet you in the next round.
Same here, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay.